Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change gear Honda Civic step by step. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake before you begin. Lift the car securely with a jack and support it with stands near the pinch weld. Remove the wheel and inspect the gear assembly for wear. Replace worn components carefully, follow torque specifications, and test the shift action gently before lowering the car. In this section, I will walk through removing the old gear assembly step by step. First, disconnect the battery negative terminal and secure the vehicle on stands. Take off the wheel, then unbolt the brake caliper and hang it safely aside. Remove any retaining clips and nuts on the linkage, labeling each part as you go. Carefully extract the gear assembly, noting orientation and any worn bearings or seals for replacement. In this video, I will show how to change gear Honda Civic step by step. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and dependable comfort when you crawl under a Civic. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I will guide you through installing the new gear assembly correctly. Start by cleaning the mounting surfaces and replacing seals to ensure a tight fit. Set the new gear in place, align the linkages, and hand thread all fasteners before torquing to spec. Reinstall the brake components and wheel, then reconnect the battery. With the car still supported, cycle the shifter through every gear to confirm smooth operation before lowering it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.